Welcome to new video. Guys, I love off-roading so much. It was a bit chilly. When I recorded this, it was about 10 degrees Celsius and it was cloudy. I love this area. Look at this beautiful trail. And I love this song too. These fields look nice. Uh-oh, car. If I remember correctly, it was signed no car. And I said, it's cool, I'm on a bike. And of course, in the middle of trail, I met a car. How convenient. That was kind of fail. I absolutely love this area. Later you will see something I mentioned in the second video of Baćina lakes. But wait, watch. I will tell you later. I will tell you when we get there. Take it easy, this episode is a bit longer. What's up, guys? These guys have been working in the olive field. I don't know really what. Look at this view, this is beautiful. Isn't this nice? Look. Lake looks like a mirror. In this part of trail I caught even 45, it's very narrow. Gravel uphill, 45, sport tires, not good idea. I mean, these tires were terrible, not really sport. Hi doggy. Are you playful? Cute doggy. And here goes the owner. Bye. This song accelerated sounds much better than original. Thank God it's NCS. All my music is NCS. Look, about 40. I told you so. Here I almost crashed. I mean, when I pressed front brake. Oh, here goes a horsey. Hi, horsey. Are you friendly? Do you want a pet? Come, horsey. Come on. Come on, sniff my hand. Good boy. Good boy. You're so cute. Good boy. Good boy. So cute. Good boy. Bye, horsey. How cute was he? I'm about to check if my camera still works. Oh, it worked, thank God. I recorded horsey. And now we're about to see something I mentioned in second video of Baćina lakes. Look. This on the left is first tunnel. I guess it's a tunnel from Vrgorac fields that drains excessive amounts of water in the winter. I can't really show you second tunnel, it leads to the sea. And I don't know exactly the location of that tunnel. Look at this fail. I went here to check if this is some kind of trail, but it was dead end. Stupid me. Now I have to return. I knew this way was real way, but I thought behind me is some kind of trail and I wanted to explore it. And I obviously fucked up. What a surprise, how convenient. I've been on this road before. I've been on my work. But I won't go to details now. This is cool. And soon I will show you something I mentioned in second video. This music is so cool. I accelerated this one too. Oh my god, so many potholes. I hate potholes more than suspension does. This is nice. Here on the left is where I usually go, and this is where I tried to go this time to explore. And it definitely paid off. We're exactly heading where I mentioned in second video. I've been exploring, I didn't know. This is nice way to push. No traffic. Looks interesting. I pushed it about 65. And here goes narrower and narrower. Just wait, we're about to see that. To see something I mentioned in second video. Ooh, I thought it was some industrial area, but this is Klokun. On this gate is written when is this open in the summer and when is open in the winter. And as I mentioned, this is Klokun. Klokun is spring of fresh water that supplies Ploče with fresh water, and this is the pump station. I discovered it myself just by accident, and with some googling I found out what it is. That was cool. I've never turned in this street before. And we're entering Baćina again. I entered Baćina lakes. I made a full circle around the lakes and I ended up in Peračko Blato and turned right and made a full circle to Baćina. And basically that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And see you in my next video, guys. Bye.